race truck driver teacher, if you will.
I won't go that. I mean, or like, you know, we might die.
We might. Oh.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, okay. I'm not scared. Where are we going?
Go out that good. Go that way.
So like a full-blown hit or like a small one?
We'll just do a small one. We're in 2 and 2. Let's see what 2 and 2 does.
All right. I'm so excited. Rubs a little bit.
A little bit.
So definitely blew an intercooler.
It was like the boom.
It'll look cool from the outside.
Violent from the outside is what it is. I'm like, turbo don't come apart, turbo don't come apart.
Yeah, that was only 2 and 2.
All right. Round 2. Got my zip tie door handle here. I'm gonna record this one inside here. He's saying, is he saying?
Yeah, he's saying this part, right?
Oh.
Yeah, don't. I wouldn't lean on the door too hard. You might fall.
Oh, okay. Yes. Oh my god, that's awesome. Just cruising through the neighborhood in race truck. So JC just got a new truck. I'm freaking obsessed with it already. I love this color. Check it out on the inside and sit my Red Bull down. Oh, we do have a little tire gap there. Okay. Can I open it? Nice. Woohoo, ranchy, bud. Nice. All right, so breaking right into it, getting everything ready for color match. What did we find out, JC?
Definitely been ran off the road and wrecked.
Pull the Lacey.
Yeah.
They pulled the lacy.
They said, oh, we don't drive on roads, we drive in ditch.
That's why the hood's so scuffed
I was like,
up.
how can you tell that?
Hood's scuffed up and go underneath there.
Is that why they tried to buff the whole thing?
Yeah.
Well, they had to replace the bumper.
You see the big
They
gash.
had to repaint a bunch of stuff.
Oh, they definitely pulled a lacy. You got a good deal on it. I
Yeah.
guess. So they debadged it. This is super glue. This thing's heavy though, so I can't believe it kept it on there. It peeled off the paint.
This one.
Huh?
I did not take the paint off the door with this one.
Hey, where's the you see it?
That's good.
I was gonna make like
Wait,
That's what you get for buying Dodges.
Wow. Hang on. Who did that? Wasn't me. All right, guys. So we're getting ready to pull the race truck out of the shop again. The intercooler had a hole. The intercooler boot had a hole in it, so Maury fixed that up, and I'm getting ready to drive it, kind of for the first time. I'm gonna do my first rolling burnout in it. First of all, this is not good Texas weather today, but we're about to take it out. We don't have too much daylight left, so we're just gonna do a couple passes. And because the one video that we have of it doing a rolling burnout, everyone's like, you're not even driving. So you're right. But now I'm gonna drive. So fingers crossed, pray for us. See what happens. Is he gonna go up further?
Yeah, that, or I'm gonna record too from the passenger seat.
Like, is he gonna go watch for cars? What if I smoke the truck right there?
So start rolling into it right when you come to the ass end of that truck.
Okay.
Hello.
he walk?
It don't matter. What do you want to do, babe?
Where do we? I mean, she's already all the way up here with us.
We're up there, but if you, I guess, once I was more thinking that once she's right about where the truck is, because we can see the road from here pretty well when we're coming down. I said start getting into it right when she hits the ass end of the silver truck. Okay. Yeah.
But who's gonna look for? I cannot see if there's cars coming right there.
I got you. I'll be sitting right here looking.
It is not. Then what do we do if someone comes?
Just hit the brakes. Let out of it. Hit the brakes. Get on your side of the road.
I'm gonna start
She's
right
so used
here
to this.
because I can see all of this.
Well, I don't like that though because then there's too much of a hill
Too much
right
of a
there. I don't
dip?
want you to like, jump and launch the truck.
I would be nervous even if I was just in my blue truck and there was a chance I was gonna hit a car.
We are just trying to hit cars. Big dumb street race.
I'm pretty sure there's people you can see. I'm not gonna get onto a head-on collision the first time I drive this thing.
Just rolling your foot to the floor.
Okay.
Like you'll feel the truck
And it
come to
will
life.
do a burnout by itself?
It'll f***ing light them up. Like I said, it's gonna start to want to come around you.
Yeah.
So you're gonna make
It's gonna-
small adjustments.
I've seen like 3 cars the entire time I was sitting here, and now there's been like 5.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I'm just nervous.
But that's,
about
maybe the Mustang wants to smoke.
Maybe it's just a little.
skirt.
I switch shoes. Hello?
I want you to be on the phone the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we might die today.
Down here, you still like the trees and shit really cover it.
No, I mean we're not gonna like go rolling all the way from here down to you. We're gonna.
Well, I know.
Yeah, you're gonna pull out.
I can see that baby Tara. We're gonna end up
Going.
I bet your speedo hits like 90, 100. Keep going a little bit more. Alrighty, it's all you. Oh shit, here comes the car.
Just pull
Just
over.
kind of. Oh, sorry,
They do not know what's going to happen.
If at all we see a cop at any moment, as fast as you can, you pull us over, throw it in park, bail in the back seat, and I will get right there.
And then I'm just chilling in the back.
You're chilling in the back.
Okay.
Alright, go for it. Just start driving. Just go, 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 go. Yep, go. Start getting in, start getting in. Start getting in, start getting in. Yep, let it in.
I'm nervous.
What'd you think?
I want to do it again. Because I definitely went out of it. I was scared.
Oh, you did. Woo!
Okay, let me do it again.
Alright.
But it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I feel more confident now.
Hello. Yeah, yeah.
It's good, though.
She let
I
out.
feel
She wants to do
confident now.
another one.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I just needed to practice. Will you adjust the camera more?
Yeah. Sorry.
I'm not as scared now, though. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Well, the good thing is if you get your tires going before you take off,
I'll stick a little better? What is he saying?
you're rolling stable.
Okay.
Yeah, it won't be as hot. But like I said, I looked over. Speedo was sitting at 85.
It was?
Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't bad then.
It's so funny, you can see where she got on it, where she let off, where she got back in it, where she let off, where she got back in it.
Oh, here comes the car. I would just pull over right here. Oh, there was a car coming.
Yeah,
Do you have a car
I
coming
feel
your
better
way at
about
all?
it now. I just didn't know what
No,
to
you're
expect.
good. It's like, tell her that when she comes over that hill, just do another one.
Will you click and then click on that? So is he saying get into it like doing a little bit of a burnout first
Yep.
and then launch it? Okay.
Yep. So
I think
like,
that'll be
at like
fun.
this speed right here.
Get into it like
Yeah, start hitting the brake and spooling it, and then you'll feel the turbos come to life.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. I smell rubber.
Yes. How we looking, Zach? Clear your way?
Clear my way.
Hard.
Thank
Come
you.
over here.
Oh, there's a car
Oh,
behind
there's
us.
a car behind us.
Good man.
I
Dude.
feel better about it now that I've done it once. I got this.
I got you coming my way.
That's tune 2.
2 and 2 what?
That's tune 2 horsepower. That's
Yeah, I'm not comfortable with 5 yet.
yeah, that's tune 2. It's rowdy.
That's a good street, man.
Did you have it all the way to the floor?
At one point.
Get the motor, bud.
Oh, that would have been bad. At one point, and then I was like, nope. But
Nope.
it's fine. I got it. I understand now. I understand now.
Fast, too. Alright, you're good.
Is there someone behind us? Hell yeah, brother. So over this little bump? Or
Yep, as soon as you kind of get to this flat spot right here. All right, Zach, you want to record? You record.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. So kind of keep going a little bit. Let's get right about.
Wait, I should get closer.
Yep, little more brake, now go.
I didn't want to hit Zach. That's why I let off. I was like, oh, that'd be so bad. Okay, that was better. Let's do it again. Was that better?
Yeah, it was way better.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, go down. Just go down to the little farther, I guess. Go down just a little bit farther.
Oh,
There's
that's
a big
so
pull out
fun.
right there. Completely different adrenaline rush, isn't it?
Oh my god, that's so fun. If I kill Zach, that would be the worst thing ever.
Just have your blinker and pull into there. Just go. You're good. Oh,
Why does it feel like that?
because we finally threw that code again.
Oh, okay.
I see it now.
What do we need to do?
That was to take it back to the shop after that one. Because
Oh, this one?
yeah, this one won't clear it.
Oh, okay.
I can't clear the code out of it with this scan tool. Yeah, you have pretty burnouts.
So you drive down because we can't run again.
Yeah. I'll drive down. And then, yeah, there it is right there. Okay, so at least we know it's still there. So it might just be a simple, easy issue.
All right, through transcode, guys, but more will fix.
Oh, we almost lost the
Oh no! Back to the shop we go.
So what'd you think?
It's actually easier to handle than I thought it was gonna be. Like, definitely, I wish I could do it again. Because if Zach wouldn't have been standing there that time, I wouldn't have let out at all. Yes, like, please do not. Then I would not like race trucks so much anymore.
Wait. Here's your rolling burnout marks.
Oh, nice. Clearing the code.
We don't fix problem, we just clear it.
And we're back here on the lift. He is TV mechanic. Like it smells like it shouldn't smell.
No, it smells fine.
Oh, okay, good.
A little bit of clutch material on there. Normal power will be transferred. What we're looking at, just trying to check and see if there's any debris on the screens, or if there's any hole in the screens. I don't see any.
Screens
See, there's
are.
yep, there's a screen
Oh, okay.
there. There's 2 there. Looking to see if any of them are plugged. So they all look good on this one. So then I'll get a piece of hose and I'll run it in there. And there's a valve in there. And I'll move the valve in and out and just check and see if it's crusty, rusty,
Cool.
full of shit.